burn belly fat with one ingredient, and that's lemon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that could literally change your life and your waistline. What if I told you that how one simple ingredient sitting in your kitchen right now could help you burn stubborn belly fat? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. That ingredient is lemon, yes, the humble lemon. Packed with powerful nutrients and fat-burning properties, lemon can kickstart your metabolism, detoxify your body, and help you shed those extra inches around your midsection. In this video, we're revealing the science-backed benefits of lemon. For weight loss, how to use it effectively, and why it's a game changer for burning belly fat. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a bonus tip on how to supercharge your lemon routine for even faster results. This isn't just another weight loss hack. This is a natural, affordable, and effective solution. So grab a seat and let's get started. Why belly fat is so stubborn. Before we dive into how lemon can help, let's talk about why belly fat is so stubborn in the first place. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, isn't just about looks. It's a serious health risk. This type of fat wraps around your internal organs and is linked to heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. The problem? Belly fat is metabolically active, meaning it releases hormones and chemicals that make it harder to lose. Plus, factors like stress, poor diet, and lack of sleep can make it even more stubborn. What the research says. Studies show that visceral fat is more resistant to traditional weight loss methods like diet and exercise. What to do? To tackle belly fat, you need a multi-pronged approach, and that's where lemon comes in. The science behind lemon and weight loss. So how does lemon help burn belly fat? Let's break it down. 1. Boosts metabolism. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which plays a key role in fat oxidation, the process of breaking down fat for energy. A faster metabolism means more calories burned, even at rest. 2. Detoxifies the liver. Your liver is your body's fat-burning engine. Lemon helps detoxify the liver, improving its ability to metabolize fat and flush out toxins. 3. Reduces bloating. Lemon is a natural diuretic, meaning it helps reduce water retention and bloating, giving you a flatter stomach almost instantly. Curbs appetite. The pectin fiber in lemons helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and overeating. 5. Balances blood sugar. Lemon helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that lead to fat storage. What the research says. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition found that the polyphenols in lemon peel helped reduce weight gain and fat accumulation in mice. What to do? Incorporate lemon into your daily routine to reap these benefits. Let's talk about how. How to use lemon to burn belly fat. Here's the fun part. Using lemon to burn belly fat is simple, delicious, and versatile. Here are the top ways to make lemon work for you. 1. Lemon water. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. This kickstarts your metabolism and detoxifies your body. 2. Lemon and honey. Mix lemon juice with a teaspoon of raw honey in warm water. Honey adds a touch of sweetness while boosting your energy and metabolism. 3. Lemon and ginger. Add freshly grated ginger to your lemon water. Ginger is a powerful fat-burning ingredient that enhances the effects of lemon. 4. Lemon in salads. Use lemon juice as a dressing for your salads. It adds flavor without the calories of store-bought dressings. 5. Lemon detox drink. Combine lemon juice, cucumber slices, mint leaves, and water for a refreshing detox drink that helps flush out toxins and reduce bloating. Pro tip: use fresh lemons instead of bottled lemon juice for maximum benefits. Fresh lemons contain more nutrients and no added preservatives. The best time to use lemon for weight loss. Timing is everything when it comes to using lemon for weight loss. Here's where to use it for the best results. Morning. Drinking lemon water on an empty stomach jumpstarts your metabolism and detoxifies your body. Before meals. A glass of lemon water before meals can help curb your appetite and prevent overeating. After workouts. Lemon water replenishes electrolytes and helps your body recover faster after exercise. What the research says, Drinking lemon water in the morning can boost metabolism by up to 30% for the rest of the day. What to do? Make lemon water a part of your daily routine, especially in the morning. Bonus tip: supercharge your lemon routine. Here's your bonus tip. To supercharge your lemon routine, try adding these ingredients. Cayenne pepper. A pinch of cayenne pepper in your lemon water boosts metabolism and increases fat burning. Apple cider vinegar. Mix lemon juice with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for a powerful detox and weight loss drink. Cinnamon. Add a dash of cinnamon to your lemon water to regulate blood sugar and reduce cravings. Pro tip: experiment with these combinations to find what works best for you. Just remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. The long-term benefits of using lemon for weight loss. The benefits of incorporating lemon into your daily routine go far beyond just burning belly fat. Over time, consistent use of lemon can help improve digestion, boost your immune system, and enhance your skin's glow. The high vitamin C content supports collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful, while its alkalizing effect helps balance your body's pH, reducing inflammation and the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, lemon aids in detoxification, flushing out harmful toxins that may contribute to stubborn fat retention and sluggish metabolism. When combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, lemon becomes a powerful tool in your weight loss journey and overall well-being. What the research says: studies suggest that individuals who regularly consume vitamin C-rich foods, like lemon, have a lower body mass index, BMI, and burn more fat during exercise. What to do? Make lemon a part of your daily lifestyle, whether in drinks, meals, or smoothies, to enjoy its long-term benefits for weight loss and health. Lemon. A small change, a big impact. If you've been struggling to lose stubborn belly fat, making lemon a daily habit could be the game changer you've been looking for. This one simple ingredient works with your body to enhance digestion, regulate blood sugar, and accelerate fat burning, all naturally. Plus, the refreshing taste makes it easy to incorporate into your routine without feeling like you're on a strict diet. The best part? Lemon is incredibly versatile, allowing you to experiment with different drinks and meals while still reaping its amazing benefits. What the research says: people who stay hydrated and consume citrus-based drinks regularly tend to have a faster metabolism and lower body fat percentages compared to those who don't. What to do? Take the first step today. Swap out sugary drinks for lemon water, try a lemon detox drink, or start your morning with warm lemon water to see and feel the difference. Conclusion: burning belly fat doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With just one ingredient, lemon, where you can kickstart your metabolism, detoxify your body, and achieve a flatter, healthier stomach. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried using lemon for weight loss? What changes have you noticed? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth. See you in the next video.